Founded in 2003, Australia-based Outside Ideas provides landscaping, civil construction, structural concreting, and irrigation to commercial developers and government departments throughout the country. Strategic growth goals and rapid expansion led the company to seek a more powerful estimating solution than the customized spreadsheets they had been using. After evaluating a number of estimating products at an industry event in 2019, Outside Ideas chose to replace Excel with ProEst Cloud. A powerful cloud-based platform gave ProEst the edge, giving users of varying skill levels a positive and productive experience right away. By avoiding the quirks and complications of a desktop product, estimating efficiency increased right away. Just as important to company estimators, ProEst's built-in flexibility was capable of handling a wide variety of project requirements, a feature that other estimating solutions lacked. It was also important to Outside Ideas to link ProEst software with their back-office Vista system, eliminating the need for accountants to review and re-enter project data. That kind of integration saved days of effort on every awarded project and helped to ensure the accuracy of information from initial bid to final closeout. Forecasting an uptick in Australian construction, Outside Ideas executives have found that their partnership with ProEst is vital to their business strategy, giving them a new ability to produce more estimates, expand their staff, and increase annual revenue.